हेलो गाइस एंड गर्ल्स, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल हेराज हियर। मेरे चैनल में आप सबका नमस्कार, स्वागतम एंड अस्सलाम वालेकुम। Today's video is gonna be interesting as because Indian elections are moving forward day by day and the pressure which it creates on the nation of India is enormous. But there's a twist, guys. The media groups in India is already sold out, and because of that there is no transparency. But the another twist is the citizen of our India, the youth of our India. And because of that, because of being a youth of India, we have arrived on the streets of Mumbai to ask the people of Mumbai, who are they going to vote for? Is it going to be BJP, that is Bharat Janata Party? Or is it going to be INC, the famous INC, that is Indian National Congress? Or is it going to be Aam Aadmi Party? Who is it going to be? The Mumbaikas are going to vote for. Let's have a look. Hello guys, I'm so sorry to interfere, but we were just taking a social survey that who you are supporting for this general elections.
BJP.
Is it BJP or is it INC or is it Aam Aadmi Party?
BJP, only BJP.
It's BJP. It's
Only
BJP.
BJP.
What's your name? What's your name?
Mihir.
Mihir. Nice to meet
You
you.
quote me. Mihir Amit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mihir Amin.
It's going to be BJP.
It's gonna be BJP.
all over India.
Okay. What's your point on this?
I'm not
You're not going to vote.
not support BJP.
May I know your
vote,
name?
but I'm not
Hello.
Hello. So who you're going to support? Hello?
BJP.
It's going to be BJP. Okay. Thanks a lot for your
And
reaction.
I'm going to make sure that that my candidate wins from here and all over India.
Okay, sure. Nice to meet you. What's your take on this? Who you are supporting? Is it going to be BJP, that is Bharat Janata Party, or is it going to be INC, that is Indian National Congress, or is it going to be Aam Aadmi Party? What's your take on it?
No, I have not.
I don't want to give it. You're not giving a vote?
No, I have given a vote, but I am keeping it private.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Sorry, courtesy. As general elections are key, it's not very right. So we are supporting. We got any Bharat Janata Party. Yeah, it's or it can be INC or it can be Aam Janata Party. Is there any specific reason to that? Yeah, because of the changes that's about the change, which more that is doing, is doing, and has been doing since the final elected. What's your good name? Vishal. If there is some vice president, and I think
Hello, guys. I'm so sorry to interfere you, but general elections were going on, right? Indian general elections, right? So who you're going to vote for? Is it going to be Bharat Janata Party, or is it going to be INC, that is Indian National Congress, or is it going to be Aam Aadmi Party? You're going to vote for BJP, right? Is there any specific reason to that?
Like specific reasons for the voting initiatives,
Okay.
there are a lot of, I mean, there's this pros and cons to every
Okay.
initiatives that can bring a better for
Okay.
progress. I mean, the consequences are the there's something
Okay.
so I would vote
Okay. May I know your good name?
for
Swati. Nice to meet you. What's your opinion about it?
Well, I would definitely go for the ruling party again for the.
It's gonna be BJP again.
Yes, yes.
It's gonna be
yes.
okay.
Because the development what I have seen in the
Okay.
last 2 tenures they have done,
Okay.
it's really amazing.
It's really amazing.
I would like that to be continued.
Okay.
I would definitely go in for them,
Okay.
irrespective of other parties also being having options. But having seen their performance,
Right.
I and my family will definitely.
Okay. Thanks a lot. What's your name?
Anil Nath.
Okay. Nice to meet you. You're from Mumbai. Okay. Excuse me, guys. I'm so sorry to interfere. As Indian general elections were going on, right? Indian general elections are going on. Like they're gonna come, right? Who you're gonna support? Is it gonna be Bharat Janata Party, or is it gonna be Indian National Congress, or is it gonna be Aam Aadmi Party? May I know your name? I'm so sorry to interfere. Okay, Abhish. Nice to meet you. Okay.
तो मतलब मुझे पर्सनली मेरा एक ओपिनियन बताऊं
Yeah, sure. Why not?
मुझे
Yeah.
ऐसा लगता है कि जितनी भी पार्टीज हैं, जितने भी नेता हैं, वो मंडा कहीं पर भी जब वो स्पीच दे रहे होते हैं तो सभी बोलते हैं देश आगे ले जाना, देश
Right,
आगे ले
right,
जाना,
right.
देश को ऐसा बनाना, देश को वैसा बनाना। और जब करने की बात आती है तो हम पाते हैं कि और एक और जो बेसिक चीज है ना, जो सब में कॉमन है, कोई भी अपनी बुराई कभी नहीं करता है।
True.
जैसे खड़े होकर के मान लो मेरा साथी ने कुछ गलत किया, मेरी टीम के किसी व्यक्ति ने कुछ गलत किया,
हाँ.
तो हम कभी भी ये नहीं बोलते कि अरे यार हाँ वो डिफॉल्टर था, हमने उसको निकाल दिया, हमने उसको फलान सजा दी।
Right.
तो ये जो एक चीज है ना, ये मुझे कहीं भी किसी भी पार्टी में दिखाई नहीं देती है। तो मैं अभी भी फिगर आउट कर रहा हूँ कि मैं पता नहीं।
But still, any side which you're gonna take for?
नहीं।
No. Okay. Thank you. Excuse me. Who you're gonna support? May I know your name? Okay, Jia. Who you're gonna support? Is it gonna? You don't have any voters ID. Yeah, you have the right to vote, but ओके थैंक्स अ लॉट काका सो सॉरी आपको इंटरफेयर करने के लिए बट जनरल इलेक्शंस आ रहा राइट आपको पता रहेगा इंडियन जनरल इलेक्शंस आने वाला है अप्रैल 19 से चालू होगा 5 इलेक्शंस रहेंगे तो आप किसको सपोर्ट कर रहे हो आप भारत जनता पार्टी को सपोर्ट करने वाले हो या आप इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस को बीजेपी या आप आम आदमी पार्टी को कोई स्पेसिफिक रीजन है आप भारत जनता पार्टी को सपोर्ट कर रहे हो यूरी अटैक ओके बट वो तो मूवी हो गया ना काका तो फिक्शन भी हो सकता है
फिक्शन भी हो सकता है फिर सब देख रहा हूँ
ओके
उसमें खतरनाक एक एक डिसीजन मोदी जी ले रहा है वो
ओके
मेरे को पसंद है
ओके ओके
वो वजह से
ओके
बीजेपी
आपका नाम क्या है
थॉमस
थॉमस आप कहाँ से हो
मैं इधर दरअ
अच्छा नहीं आपका गांव कहाँ पे है
गाँव तमिलनाडु कोयम्बटूर
तमिलनाडु कोयम्बतूर ओके नाइस टू मीट यू अरे चलेगा कोई नहीं यार कोई नहीं I'm so sorry guys to interfere but as you know Indian general elections are going on right they're gonna come right who you gonna support is it gonna be Bharat Janata Party or is it gonna be INC that is Indian National Congress or is it gonna be Aam Aadmi Party who you gonna vote for as an Indian citizen may I know your name I'm so sorry
Yeah, I'm Anuradha.
okay nice to meet you
I think it's mostly going to be BJP.
it's gonna be BJP okay Bharat Janata Party okay any specific reasons to that
I mean, I think we have had Congress for past 60 years and we've seen the kind of development and
okay
the progress that the country had and the
Mhm.
corruption levels and everything. So I think because
there's
of
still
that,
corruption going on
I know, but I mean, there is, and if you'll see the development that has been there since
Okay.
the BJP has come, I think, yeah, my vote would be for BJP.
for BJP okay
Yeah, I
thanks
know there
thanks a
are
lot
some.
what's your name
Hi, my name is Sanjana.
okay who you're gonna vote for
I think it's going to be BJP.
it's gonna be BJP again okay any specific reason
We've seen so many good developments with respect to infrastructure,
okay
with respect to the kind of policies
Okay.
BJP has brought for females, kind of, all the things that has taken place. Especially, you can see, at least in Mumbai, it was the Atal Setu.
right
There are a lot of developments. There's so much of cleanliness.
okay
Down the line, 10 years, it was not the case.
so you're okay with being another term for BJP it's
Of course.
Okay.
I mean, Modi is a brand now, and
Okay.
definitely we vote for it.
Okay.
And with respect to all the developments in the entire country,
okay
you see Article 370.
Mhm.
I mean, a lot of good things have happened, and why not to choose them again?
okay thanks a lot thanks a
you.
lot thank you
Have a
guys
great day, guys.
yeah sure you too excuse me I'm so sorry to interfere you as you know Indian general elections are going on like excuse me I'm so sorry to interfere you but as you know Indian general elections are gonna come right after this week this end of the week so who you're gonna support for is it gonna be Bharat Janata Party or is it gonna be INC that is Indian National Congress or is it gonna be Aam Aadmi Party who is it gonna may I know your name
Ahmed.
okay nice to meet you may I know your opinion about it
I think there change is required.
okay
Some not, we are going towards dictatorship.
yeah that is true
So whatever,
like the
change is
freezing of
required,
Congress
yeah,
banks right okay
whatever means I don't know. All the development is on the paper.
okay
That's the key point
right
in this government.
Right.
So change is required.
change is required in general politics you
Yeah,
mean
in general politics.
okay
I don't know about Aam Aadmi Party
okay
or INC.
but who you're gonna vote for there might be some party you're gonna vote for right
The voting will be totally based on the local who is the contestant
Okay.
contending.
Okay.
So it will be totally based on this thing. It will not be some wave or something like that. So person to person it may depend.
it might differ okay
Yeah. I think Agadi, Mahavikas Agadi in Maharashtra might take more seats than
Take more seats.
Alliance, Mahayuti.
okay
Yeah.
okay thanks a lot nice to meet you guys I'm so sorry to interfere you but as you know Indian general elections are gonna come right so who you're gonna vote for as an Indian citizen is it gonna be INC that is Indian National Congress or is it gonna be Bharat Janata Party or is it gonna be Aam Aadmi Party may I know your name
Ashish.
Ashish nice to meet you Ashish
Nice to meet you, sir.
okay so you're gonna vote for
So it's gonna be BJP.
is it gonna be BJP
Yeah.
and what about you it's gonna be BJP any specific reasons to that
So like after the recent Ram Mandir inauguration,
okay
so me being an extreme right winger,
okay okay
so yeah,
you're gonna support vote for BJP
exactly.
okay nice to meet you
Nice to meet you.
Hello guys. Hello guys. I'm so sorry to interfere, but as you know, Indian general elections are gonna come, right? So who you gonna vote for? Is it gonna be BJP, that is Bharat Janata Party, or is it gonna be Aam Aadmi Party, or is it gonna be Indian National Congress? Aam Aadmi Party. You're gonna vote for because of what is going on right now. Arvind Kejriwal has been jailed. हाँ. Okay. Electricity सब free किया था, right? और भी बहुत चीज किया था. आपका नाम क्या है? Shivam. Nice to meet you, Shivam. आपका क्या है बोलना है? Who are you gonna vote for? What's your name? Sabri. Okay. Okay. Okay, but still, you as an Indian citizen, you're gonna vote for somebody, right? BJP. Okay. Thanks a lot. काका जैसे कि आपको पता है अपना इलेक्शंस आने वाला है, राइट? तो भारत जनता पार्टी है, उसके बाद आम आदमी. आप नहीं दे सकते क्या? आप दे सकते हो क्या?
नहीं
अरे आप भी डर गए.
डरने की बात नहीं.
हाँ, बट फिर भी किसको सपोर्ट कर रहे हो आप? नहीं कर रहे?
पुलिस वाले नहीं बोल सकते.
अरे आपका राइट है बोलना.
नहीं. सिविल पे रहेगा तो बात अलग है.
अच्छा.
पुलिस वाला नहीं.
आप तो सिविल में आप. अरे अच्छा आप. चलो ठीक है. थैंक. Hello. Kaka, as Indian elections are going on, so who you're gonna support? Is it gonna be Bharat Janata Party by the end of the week, or is it gonna be Aam Aadmi Party, or is it gonna be INC, that is Indian National Congress, BJP? Is there any specific reasons to that?
I have seen the work done by the Modi. Done some work for.
Okay. Okay.
And there is no.
Can you name any three works?
In the closing of that currency.
Okay.
Closing of the currency.
Demonetization. Okay. But that made a much more loss than profit.
Everywhere there is some loss.
Pros and cons.
More profit. If you want some loss, it is.
Okay, nice. Okay. So what's your name?
Prashant.
Okay, nice to meet you. Thanks a lot for the reaction. Hello, ma'am. I'm so sorry, but as you know, Indian general elections are going on, right? So who you gonna support? Is it gonna be Bharat Janata Party, INC, that is Indian National Congress, or is it gonna be Aam Aadmi Party? Who are you gonna vote for in general? May I know your name?
Yeah, my name is Preeti.
Preeti, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I will be supporting. Right now, I'm not decided.
You're not decided,
No.
but you're gonna vote for somebody?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
I'll be voting, but it will be. I still have to think about it.
Still an option given. Who would you choose?
Definitely BJP.
Definitely BJP. Okay. Any specific reasons to that?
I can see good work being done for the country.
Okay. Can you name any three works?
It is more relating to infrastructure.
Infrastructure.
The medical facilities available.
Okay.
The basic amenities available for the poor.
Okay.
Those three are the highlights.
Okay. Okay. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for the reaction. Nice to meet you. Guys, excuse me. As you know, Indian elections are going on, right? So by the end of the week, as you know, who you're gonna support for? Is it gonna be Bharat Janata Party, INC, that is Indian National Congress, or is it gonna be Aam Aadmi Party?
BJP.
Is it gonna be BJP? May I know your name?
Narendra Chauhan.
Narendra Chauhan. Okay, nice to meet you. So is there any specific reasons to that?
No.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hello guys, a very good morning. I'm so sorry to interfere good morning. But as you know, Indian general elections are gonna come, right? So who you gonna support or who you gonna vote for? Is it gonna be Bharat Janata Party, or is it gonna be Aam Aadmi Party, or is it gonna be Indian National Congress? Who you gonna vote for?
Yeah, I mean, to be honest, I've not seen the candidates list.
Okay,
So I usually don't evaluate on terms
but
of.
these are on the three tops,
Yeah, of course.
right?
Last time I voted for Aam Aadmi Party, the candidate was very good.
Aam Aadmi Party. But right now Kejriwal is in jail.
That's, yeah. So I'm not sure.
You're not sure. What's your name, by the way?
Harsh.
Hansh, nice to meet you. What's your name?
I'm Manoj, but I don't follow a lot of politics.
Okay, but still given a choice or option as an Indian citizen, who would you go for?
I mean, I don't have the information to comment, so.
Okay, so yeah, no comments on that.
comments.
Okay, thanks a lot for your reaction.
Thank you.
Okay, as you know, Indian elections are gonna come, right?
Yeah.
Your name is Prashant, right? Okay.
Pranav.
Pranav. Okay, nice to meet you. As in Indian elections are gonna come, so who you gonna vote for? Is it gonna be Bharat Janata Party? Is it gonna be Aam Aadmi Party, or is it gonna be INC, that is Indian National Congress?
No, I'd like to vote for Bharatiya Janata Party.
Bharatiya Janata. Any specific reasons to that?
Yeah, because since like Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi has
Mhm.
taken as the Prime Minister, he has done lots of development. Like
Okay.
for us to play, he has done lots of multinational projects. Like you
Okay.
can see Coastal Road or
Right.
MTHL.
Right.
And he has like after Coastal Road has been created, we have got lots of path to play like for us like football, and we have got lots to study. We are,
Okay.
I think he has created something of 7 to 8 aims and for us to study. Many he has opened all of our like we can visit to any country to study, and that's why I think like he's a better prime minister.
Okay. Thanks a lot for your interview. Thanks a lot, man.
Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Sriraj. We were taking a survey on who you are supporting. So as you know, Indian elections are gonna come, right?
Yes.
So is it gonna be BJP, Bharat Janata Party, or is it gonna be INC, that is Indian National Congress,
Okay.
or is it gonna be Aam Aadmi Party? Who you're gonna vote for? May I know your name?
Yeah, my name is Suresh Mehta.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Definitely this time BJP is going to win.
BJP.
Because there is, I don't think any competitor is there.
Competitors there. What about you?
Satish Sangvi.
Okay. No. What is your opinion about it?
Who is going to win?
BJP. And what about you?
Who is going to
No,
win?
are you gonna vote for BJP, that is Bharat Janata Party,
Okay.
or is it gonna be Aam Aadmi Party,
Okay.
or is it gonna be INC, that is Indian National Congress?
Obviously, mostly BJP. 99.9%.
99.9%. Any three works done by BJP which you think is really good, and that's the reason you're supporting?
Empowerment, women empowerment.
Women empowerment. Any other?
Infrastructure, obviously.
Infrastructure.
Yeah, infrastructure is very-
Any specific work?
Yeah, so many infrastructure work is going very fast on
Okay.
like bridges and IRS, like we can say Indian Railways are uplifting so much.
Right.
Everything like
Any other?
is going good.
Okay.
But corruption is also increasing day by day.
Corruption also increasing day by day.
Increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Increasing.
What I told.
Okay. Any specific reason you think like corruption is increasing?
There are a lot of reasons
Okay.
because every department is corrupt.
Every department is corrupt. It's not as equal as how European countries are, right?
Definitely.
Okay.
No comparison.
No comparison. Still, there's a lot of undergoings done.
100%.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
But definitely it will be going to be
Then also
BJP.
BJP.
आएगा तो मोदी.
Yes, yes. Then also BJP.
Okay.
Then
Thanks a
also
lot.
आएगा तो मोदी.
Okay.
Modi.
Okay. Thanks a lot.
Now you can take his interview also. चलेगा ना? What song?
Who are you gonna
He's from
voting for?
USA, he's from USA.
Who are you gonna
He's not
voting
going
for?
to
Is it
vote.
gonna be BJP or is it gonna be Aam Aadmi Party?
Just a minute.
Or is it gonna be INC, that is Indian National Congress?
No, not.
Oh, okay,
Maybe.
he's
Just give your
supporting
vote.
Congress.
Yes.
To whom you are supporting, just tell that.
He's a Congress person.
Okay. Okay. So, are you supporting for Rahul Gandhi or are you supporting for Narendra Modi ji? Okay, you are supporting for Rahul
Rahul
Gandhi.
Gandhi's man.
Okay. Nothing wrong in that. It's his right.
Yeah,
Right?
he's opinion.
It's open democratic state.
Yes.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Okay. चलो, thank you.
तो गाइस, जैसे आपने देख लिया कि मुंबईकर्स का क्या ओपिनियन है अबाउट द इलेक्शन, अबाउट द इंडियन इलेक्शन, बीजेपी, कांग्रेस और आम आदमी पार्टी. तो आपका क्या राय है? आप कमेंट सेक्शन में डाल सकते हो. थैंक्स लॉट फॉर वाचिंग एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब. तू किसको सपोर्ट करने वाला है? बीजेपी, आम आदमी पार्टी या कांग्रेस? किसको सपोर्ट करेगा? अबे बोल कुछ. अबे कुछ तो बोल. किसको सपोर्ट कर रहा है? भारत जनता पार्टी, इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस या आम आदमी पार्टी? किसको सपोर्ट कर रहा तू? ये भी म्यूट है. ये कुछ बोलना नहीं चाह रहा. नो कमेंट्स. चला.